How to roll a covered call trade with Questrade. I get this question asked a lot, so I thought I'd make a video about it. It's actually quite simple. So first of all, when you're looking at your portfolio with Questrade, most of the time it will be grouped by position. Up here, if you look here, group, it will be grouped by position. So if you've got strategies different from just owning a particular stock, if you've got a combined strategy like a covered call trade or any other option strategy, it's best if you group by strategy. Once you click on group by strategy, you could see that it groups your positions by strategy. And if we look at the Qs here, I've got a covered call on the Qs. And if I click on the little arrow here, it shows me the details. So I've got 100 shares of the Qs, and I've got a call option that I sold at a 203 strike expiring April 17. So it shows me the components of my strategy. So if you want to roll a call option or a covered call trade forward, so basically expiration date has come and your call option is in the money, your short call is in the money. So you've got two choices really. Either you close out the trade completely and get your money back at your short strike, or you want to keep the shares, so you want to roll the call option forward. So if you want to roll the call option forward, I'm going to make this side window bigger. Looks nicer. So first of all, you make sure that you're grouped by strategy. Click on the arrow, click on create order. It automatically shows you the entry or the trade that would close your order. So that would be selling your shares and then buying back the call option. That's if you want to close the order. But we want to roll the call option. So we're going to remove this line item here where the shares are. We're going to remove that because we don't want to sell it. We just want to roll the call option. So I've removed the shares, the line that has the shares on it. And then I'm going to click add call. And then as you can see, so the first line is actually showing me that I'm buying back the current call that I have that's being shorted. And now I want to roll it forward. So I'm going to click on sell on the second line. I'm going to choose the expiration that I want. So I already have the April 17. If you look at my positions, I already have April 17 203 call. So if I want to roll it forward, I need to pick an expiration after April 17. So if I pick the April 24th and I'm on sell, and then I choose the strike that I want. So I can choose, usually if you want to roll forward, you're going to roll forward at least at the same strike or a strike higher, but that depends on your strategy, on your goal. But assuming you're rolling forward with the same strike, so basically the strike is the same, but just the expiration date is different. I'm giving the trade more time. So I picked 203, picked April 24th expiration, which is 1 week after April 17. It's a call. So one's being bought to close and one is being sold to open. And then because the market is closed right now, so you don't see a bid and ask, but normally if the market is open, you would see a bid and ask. Let's say here you see $1 and here $1.50. So you would just pick a price that's in between. You would write it here, for example, $1.25. So basically you'd be able to roll forward for a credit of $1.25 per share or per contract. So it would be $125 that you're rolling forward. And you choose your duration and then you click send order. And then here you should see a confirmation, buy to close. So you're closing your current call option that's being shorted, that is currently in the money, and you're selling to open a new call option at an April 24th expiration. You'll get the credit amount confirmed. You click send order and you just wait. Now your call option that you currently shorted might not be in the money, but you want to roll it forward anyways because it's very close. It's worth pennies and you just want to keep rolling the trade forward. So you could do that anyways, even if it's not in the money. So if I assume these prices are correct here, in this case, I would have to pay $3.34 to close my call option, but I'm selling the next week's option for $4.95. So I'm getting a credit at the end of this trade. But if my call option is not in the money and it's worth pennies, I'll be paying 5 cents for it, but I'll be able to sell the next call option right away instead of waiting for the next week to open. So rolling a call option forward or a covered call trade forward with Questrade is quite simple, as you can see here. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like always, if you're going to open an account with Questrade to trade on the stock market, use my referral code in the description below the video to get up to $250 back. Thanks for watching.